Hello everybody, I welcome you to the SchoolDeeds platform. Before moving on, let us look at a few very important details. We do not charge anything per student. We give unlimited students, staff and cloud storage for all subscription plans. And our price never changes for existing users. For more details, you can please check out the contact information in the description and you can directly reach out to us. Let's get started. In this video, let us take a look at how exactly can a teacher apply for leave requests and how the principal can approve them. To start with, all you need to do is come to the website schooldeeds.com, enter in your login credentials and log in. Once you log in, you will be landing on the dashboard where you can see all of the important details and all of the updates. On the left hand side, you have all of the different features that you can choose from. Now, let us check out the leave request. Click on it and here you can see all of the previous requests that have been made. When have you applied? What all actions have been taken? What are the update logs by the teacher or by the SchoolDeeds principal? Here the name is showing SchoolDeeds principal because it is only a demo. Generally, a name will be shown here. You can see all of the updates, every single log, and you can also see if it is approved or declined. And right here, once you scroll down, you will be able to see the student leave requests. We will be covering all about the student leave requests with detailed videos on how you can navigate the student leave request from the website as well as the mobile app. Right now, let us see how the teacher can apply for a leave. Simply click on Apply for Leave, select the date. So suppose I want the leave from 11th of May and I want it to be till the 15th of May. Another important thing to note is that Sundays are not counted and they are automatically excluded since they are anyways a holiday. Next up, you can see that the number of days 5 has already been updated and remarks you can write in anything. Suppose right now I will be writing sister's wedding. Just submit it and your leave request is successfully submitted. You can see all of the details from and the to dates, what is the remarks or what is the status of it. And you also have action buttons like edit or delete. If you want to edit anything, you can simply click on this option and you will be having the from and to date. Suppose now I don't want 5 days of leave, I want just 4 days of leave. I can simply edit it and save the changes. And here you can see that it has already been updated in the log, and you can also scroll and see that now the dates are also 4. Now let us see what exactly will the SchoolDeeds principal be seeing on their dashboard. Simply enter in your login credentials and log in. Once done, you will be landing on the dashboard once again, where on the left hand side you have the list of all the different features available. Let us click once again on the Leave Requests tab. Once you do that, first of all, you can see the student leave requests, all of the leave requests that have been applied by a student, and you have different options including approve, decline or edit. Right now, let us check out the staff leave requests. As you can see here, the leave for 4 days log can be seen and the status says it's pending. Here you have 3 different options: approve, decline or edit. If you want to edit in something, you can do that from here. Firstly, let us see the approve option. Simply click on approve and here again you have the approve from and approve to. So suppose I am okay with the 4 days, I will be approving the request. So simply just write down approved and click on approve. Once it's done, you will not be able to see it over here because you've already approved it. On the right hand side now, you can see that there's a filter option where you can filter all of the leave requests by pending, approved or declined. So now let us click on all. And here you can see that the leave request has been approved. Now suppose you want to edit in something. You can just click on this edit option. And now suppose I don't want to give 4 days of leave. I only want to approve 3 days of leave. You can select 11 to 13 and the 3 days have already been updated. And now you can just enter in your approval remarks, which would be approved only 3 days, and simply save the changes. Once it's done, you can see all of the logs have been already updated. Now let us see what is the update on the teachers platform. Once again, we will be logging in to the teachers dashboard and here you can see that 11th May to 13th May, 3 days of leave has been approved, and here you can see all of the logs that have been updated by the teacher. You can see that before it was 4 days of leave and after it is only 3 days of leave. The leave request of a teacher can only be approved by the principal, while the leave request of a student can be approved by the principal or the class in charge. I really hope that this video would have helped you a lot in navigating through the SchoolDeeds platform. If you have any more queries, you can connect with us. And for more such informative content, make sure to like, share, and comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. We will come up with many more videos for your guidance. Thank you.